Yo, what's up, guys? I just got this cool game, Monkey All Stars. You should definitely download it. It's like completely free. It just now came out today. You can clearly see that I've been playing it. So today I'm just gonna be making a video out of it and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna like fish too. So yeah, I'm just customizing this real quick. Flip. Alright, there we go. I hope y'all like that. Here, I'm gonna. There we go. That should be good. Okay. Okay. I really hope this still records, though. Okay. Come here, fish. Here, you know what? I'm just gonna put it in first person mode. Woo! Sure. Sorry for that, though. Yeah. So, yeah. It's gonna be in first person now, so yeah. You'll be seeing what I'm seeing. Come here, fish. I was... Darn it. Man. The heck. He's not good at this. Yes, I've caught in it. I've caught it. I have successfully caught this fish. It's not my first time catching a fish, though. One thing I like about it is that if you catch fish, you can put it in that thing and you get money. What if that like sells like a lot? I've never caught in a small one like that one though. Well, now that I know where it's going, I would think. Darn it, I was straight above it. It's making... I caught it! Yes! Bam. Let's hope this sells for good. Apparently it did not. Oh, where'd that... Darn it. I was not expecting that. Hey, what's up, dude? Woo! Boing.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna see how much this thing is one single.
Darn it. Oh wait, hey! Hey, little guy. Oh, darn it, I missed. They should make it where the little ones, cost more, to be honest. I'm gonna try out this. Holy crap. Woo! I got 1 coin for that. Not worth it. Unless if it depends on like score or something. How you doing? Oh, gosh darn it. Come here. Darn it. Wait, hold on. How much currency do I have?
I'm here to get like one more.
Oh, I got 25. Let's see what I could buy. I could. Dude, I missed that game. I wish I kept it.
No.
Monkey Deluxe, because I missed that game. Do I have it on? Yeah. We'll probably end the video here soon. I'm not trying to make it a long one, really, so.
2 fish already. I'm getting good.
Yeah, fishing is like really easy and it pays really well. And I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the short video and stuff. So yeah, go download Monkey Deluxe. It's really worth it. Yeah, there's also mini games. I'll probably do more videos of this game about them. So yeah, subscribe.